I'm sure many of you don't feel comfortable in front of a camera, especially if English is not your first language. I know I don't. I still struggle every time I record a video. Now imagine you need to make an ad of one of your products. You have two options. The first one is you. The second one is using the AI generated avatar. Now take a look at these two examples and tell me which one would you prefer. This is one of
Wait, does San Diego hold a special place in your heart? Then you need to see this. Every single blue layer shows the real depth of the bay. We carefully laser cut and hand assemble every piece right here in our workshop. It is a stunning piece of wall art, and honestly, the ultimate gift for any San Diego lover. Keep those sunny memories alive. Grab yours today.
Today I am testing UGCVideo.ai to see if it can actually replace traditional content creation. My main goal here is to see if I can create fast product videos for social media. Let's look at the screen. The dashboard is very simple. On the left side you can see all the video modes. But first let's click on Create Your Character to make our AI presenter. Here you have four options. Start from an image, describe your character, build your character, and influencer generator. I'll start with start from an image and create a character based on my own photo. I uploaded my photo, named my AI character, and wrote a short background story. So now let's see the results.
This is my original photo. UGCVideo.ai turned it into this talking video using artificial intelligence. No camera, no filming, just one image.
Hi, I'm Dim, the AI version of Dimitar. From now on, I'll help him present his products and maybe speak a little better English. Don't worry, the real's still here. I'm just making his life a little easier. Let's see.
I decided to make myself a little more handsome. And here's the result.
Hi, I'm Mitko, a designer and maker from Bulgaria. I create detailed, laser-cut wooden maps like this one. Each design combines craftsmanship, technology, and a lot of attention to detail.
Then I got curious, so of course I create few more characters. Maria, Sonia and Julia.
This isn't just regular desk decor. It's a handcrafted, layered wooden skyline.
You can literally stick it to your fridge. Play a move every time you grab a snack.
If you love Italy, I think you'll love this beautiful handcrafted wooden map.
I think creating a good character is one of the most important steps because you'll use it in many future videos. Before you start, think about your business, your audience and the type of content you want to create. That will help you to write a better prompt. I use ChatGPT to help me create the prompts for my characters. For some characters, I also use ChatGPT to generate the reference images first. Don't rush this step. A few extra minutes here can save you a lot of time later. And just for fun, I created another AI influencer. Meet Felix.
I'm Felix, your AI creative assistant. I help create product videos, tell stories, and bring creative ideas to life. Whether it's handmade products or social media content, I'm always ready to help. Let's create something amazing together.
Let's create our first UGC ad video. First, upload a product image. At the moment, you can only use one image, which I hope they'll improve in the future. Next, use your AI character, select a voice and write your prompt. Click Generate and wait for the result.
Boom! Now I'm wearing the St. Augustine map tee and the fit is perfect. Just look at these crisp vector lines.
In conclusion, this software won't completely replace me. However, the platform is great if you run an online store and need dozens of quick video ads for TikTok or Shorts. It saves crazy money on models and studios, and the ready-made AI avatars and characters like Felix look pretty decent on the phone screen. Okay, I'm tired. Sonia, please continue.
Okay, boss. I'll take it from here. The software works on a credit system. The good news is that you get 30 free credits when you sign up, plus another 30 bonus credits after your first generation, so you have enough to explore most of the features. After that, you'll need a subscription. In my opinion, it's only worth paying for if it actually helps your business and brings you more sales. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find my discount link in the description and the pinned comment. So, what do you think about these AI influencers? Would you use them? Or would you rather stay in front of the camera yourself? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.